Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I want to share with you an item that I bought weeks ago, but I just haven't shown you yet. I took it out of the packaging to see if it was okay, and then I put it back, and then this happened. But I haven't taken it out for real, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Look how awesome this looks. I really love the background that you see. Maybe I can do something with that, I don't know. I did open it over here, and then you have it. Let me just take it out. So you have this as a background, which I really love, but no, I'm not gonna use it for this. Maybe I can use this in an art journal. Check out my other videos, my creative videos. I might use this. This is a playset of all kinds of Alice in Wonderland figures for her 70th anniversary. And look, she still looks pretty well for someone who is 70. Can you believe that this movie is already 70 years old? It's insane. Now, I haven't taken them out, so maybe I should do that first. Let's just see. Is that hard to do or easy to do? I don't know. Let's just start. I don't know. Let's just start with the king. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna take them all out, because this is gonna sound really awful. Well, guys, let's just say you really have to have patience to get this all out. I mean, this is the final one. It took me about 15 minutes and a lot of patience, but look at it, I've got them. Okay, let's start with Alice, of course. Oh, she is cute. Look at her cute face. She is so gorgeous. Oh, now this is a shame with figurines like this. I'm not even sure if the camera is gonna catch it, but you see a little something over there. Luckily it's on the back side, so I don't really care, as long as their faces are really nice. And look at it. It's just so gorgeous. Look at her. She is so sweet. So she's courtesying for the queen, of course. But the queen is busy playing a game. Look at it. So now this is very funny, because this is what I told you in my previous video. Sometimes you want to collect something, Alice, that you don't really find that much of, like the flamingo. It's really hard to find something. And in my last video, I still have it on my desk so I can show you. I told you, look, I've got the flamingo, and it is Alice's one, the pink one with the pink porcupine. And then suddenly you find more of that item, because I bought in the video before that, I bought plush, a green flamingo plush and a green porcupine plush. And look at it, I've got them again. So I like that, I like it. Now I do have quite a lot of merch of the flamingo, which I really love. Look how weird this one looks. Oh boy, and the porcupine is ready to start rolling. Are you ready? Just try to hit me and I'll just roll away. And the queen is very happy because she's playing a game and she's winning. Of course she's winning, because all these fellas are trying to get where the porcupine is so that it can roll underneath. It's really fun. This is a cute set. Look at the queen. She is gorgeous. I always love this little ribbon. Can you see it? It's so tiny you can hardly see it. Look at it. So this is so cute together. But of course there's more. Of course the cards are bending over for the croquet game, and there's this little thing. I don't play the game. I don't know if this has something to do with it. Maybe you have to hit this. Anyway, the game is very chaotic in the movie, in the story. So I don't have anything of this. There is a figurine, and it's a few €100 and it's way too expensive. Then you have the queen playing with her flamingo. You have this one as a figurine, and if you want to buy it, I think together it'll be €800 or something. That's a bit too expensive, but now I have it from plastic. Made of plastic. It's really gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. And then which one first? The Mad Hatter. Oh, this one is so wonderful. I really am a bit obsessed with the Mad Hatter at the moment. I keep buying Mad Hatter items. They still need to arrive, but I do have lots of Mad Hatter items now. And look at it. And of course, the Dormouse in the teapot. I absolutely love this. And now the teapot is a really bright color. But it is gorgeous. And look at that little Dormouse. Oh, I like it. So I bought some more Mad Hatter items. And I'm still reorganizing my Alice in Wonderland room. But at the moment, I can't really stand longer than a minute. So it's a very slow process. I keep adding more items than I can give a spot. But I really, really want to make a Mad Hatter shelf. But then do I take it out of this? Because this is gonna look so awesome together. But I need to put it a bit like this because I'm running out of space. Oh my goodness. It's the Cheshire Cat. He is not bright pink. I really like that because I do like the bright pink because it's very colorful and funny, and I like pink. But this one is a bit more purple, and I like it. I like the fact that he's vanishing. Look at his tail. This part is already gone, so you don't see this. Then this is vanishing. So he's almost floating in the air. I really like that stupid grin. Okay, I love it. These are so beautifully painted and such great quality. I really love it. Look at the little king. He's got his little thumb in his mouth. It's just so gorgeous. So this cute little king really adores his wife, I think, because look at him. Probably a little bit scared of her as well. But look at it. He's looking up at her. It's just so adorable. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, then you have the March Hare. Look at the March Hare. Guys, this is a really awesome figure. Let me just put these back a little bit. Because I love the fact that the tea is splashing out of his teacup. And he's got 3 more over here. Because he isn't really careful with it. He just splashes it around. I absolutely love this figure. They are so fun because the poses are so different from what you normally have. I mean, you do have lots of Alice courtesying, but not like this. Her dress is so beautiful, and oh well. Anyways, I do like it. It doesn't focus, does it? I just think it's so wonderful. Okay, then you have the White Rabbit. This time, not with a pocket watch, but with a trumpet. This is from the court scene. Isn't it awesome? I like it. He's so cute. And he's not white, he's grey. I just now noticed. It's a grey rabbit. Why is he grey? Because it's a white rabbit. Anyway, over here. He's a bit older. It's a grey rabbit now. But isn't it gorgeous with a little trumpet? Oh, I just love it. The final one that I have to show you is this one. This one is so awesome. I don't think I have any merch of this. Because you hardly ever see merch of this beautiful butterfly when he was still a caterpillar. You do see the caterpillar, and it's hard to get caterpillar merchandise, but it is even harder to get the caterpillar as a butterfly. And look at it, he's flying away. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. I love it so much. I think this is so wonderful that I have this whole set, and this merch is it's insane. So if you had to pick one of these, which one would you like best? I think mine is this one. Because it is just so special, but I absolutely love the cute little king, I mean. Now I do have more to show you, otherwise this is a very short video, but if I show you the rest it might be a longer video. But I'm just gonna do it. So I'm gonna put these all over here, so I can see them, but you can't. Oh, it's so beautiful! This is totally different. I've got this. I've got Funko Pop Soda cans. And at first I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy them because I think they're so ugly. I mean, they're really ugly. That's what I think anyway. But because they are so ugly, I kind of like it. The only thing is, I don't think Alice looks like Alice. Alice is just a cute little girl. When you see it like this, you might think, oh, that's Alice. But guys, how do you open this? I thought I'd just do something with this, but how do you open this? It's very simple. You just take this off. I really was... Huh? What? How do you open this? Let me show you the tin first. I'm gonna do them one by one. This is a limited edition. There are only 5,000 of them. Okay. And it is the Cheshire Cat, because it says so. It does look really nice. It has such bright colors, but this is refreshingly fun. It is a soda Cheshire Cat. Now you have this Cheshire Cat, but also there's Find the Chase. So every one in, I don't know how many, is a different color. And yeah, I just don't really care about stuff like that. This is made for collectors. And then you want this one, and you want the, what do they call it? The Chase one. Yeah, I don't really mind. It would be fun if I had the Chase one, because that one was extra special, but they are all ugly, so it doesn't matter. So let me open this one. You can just open it like this, which is really fun, because then you can put this next to the figurine in my collection as a soda pop bottle. So in here is, oh, this is nice, the Cheshire Cat. Now these guys are figurines that if you shine black light on it, it really glows, but I don't have that, so I'll never know. I really do like this. Does this mean, oh wait, there are 4,200 of these and 5,000. I have no idea what this means. Okay, anyway, let's just open it. I didn't do my research, guys. Because here it says limited edition 5,000 and here it says one of 4,200. Oh boy, they are ugly. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Whoa, this is bright. You don't need black light for this. This is bright when you see it like this. Oh my goodness. This stuff can be so ugly. And you might think, then why buy it if it's so ugly? Well, I do like really weird stuff. This is so weird, so ugly. I'm not going to give this a spot when you walk in my room, you see this, because whoa. But I do like stuff like this. Sometimes even if the more ugly, the better. I really like this. Now, loads of you might just say, this is really fun and it's not ugly at all. This is just what I think. I think these are really ugly, but I like it. And I really like the fact that you can put it like this. Oops, sorry. You can put this side or this side and then put this next to it. And then there's this, in Dutch we call this a flippo. This little, whatchamacallit. It's really fun. I didn't know this was in here. Okay, this is really fun. Now, to be honest, I am a little bit curious if there is a Chase in here, because they all have that. Maybe the Chase is limited to 5. Or there are 5,000 pieces. And of those 5,000, there are 800 Chase. I don't know. And I don't care. But, oh, what's in here? Oh, now look, this is Alice. This is cute Alice. Over here she looks really cute like Alice. This, yeah, of course it is a Funko Pop edition, but still, it doesn't have the Alice face. I just think it's a bit, I don't know. Here we go again, pop. But I do like it. What do I have? The normal is this one. Yellow dress, yellow skirt I mean. And that's the one that, oh boy. I wanted to say something else. My goodness. Oh, come on. You can't say that this is beautiful or nice or fun. It's so ugly. Oh my gosh. Look at it. This is really ugly. I love it. Oh, this is insane. Okay, so I've got this wonderful Alice. That doesn't even look, I mean, this isn't Alice. If you saw this, you think, okay, and it's supposed to be Alice, but oh well, it's still, yeah, I'm having so much fun opening these. Like I said, you might say, then why buy it if you find it so ugly? Because it is so ugly. Oh my goodness. Now, I have the Mad Hatter and the Queen. I'm going for the Mad Hatter first. So this is a long video. Sorry guys, I should have made 2 videos out of this. You have this weird Mad Hatter. Okay, now these have been opened. Can you see that? So I had the Cheshire Cat was still closed, so there could have been a chase in here. These have been opened, so these are the normal ones. I think they just wanted to check if they had a special one, and of course they did, because they sell for quite a lot of money. Oh my goodness! So see, this is the normal one, but I don't really care because they are just a bit different colors. But oh boy, this is insane. This is really insane. Okay, I don't even know what to say. I'm just look at it. It's colorful. So, but the Queen. Look at the Queen. So we've got she's green. She's so angry that she's green. Okay, here we go. The Mad Hatter I really like, to be honest. Let's see. They just opened it and probably saw, oh no, it's not a chase, and then they just sold it to me. Because the Queen hasn't been out of here. Okay. Ooh, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look, it's the normal Queen. Well, normal. I can't say that this is normal. Right. Awesome. This is, I mean, look at them together, guys. Insane. I think you stopped looking. If you're still watching, thank you, because this is so bright. Be honest, what do you think of stuff like this? I mean, this one is kind of cute, and this one is cute, but the colors are... This one I really don't think looks like Alice, and this one is a bit weird as well, but that's just funny. That's just funny. I had a great deal on them, by the way. They weren't that expensive because I think they ask way too... The prices are so insane. So I'm not sure. Is there a white rabbit? I think there is. I am missing one or two of these, but I'll find them one day for a nice price, I hope, and otherwise I'll just have these for. I really do like the fact that you can put them like this, and I really love this thingamabop, in Dutch, flippo. I really like this. Flip-o, yeah? Okay, so I would love to know, I'm just going to put the cans aside, what do you like best? This Alice or this Alice? This Mad Hatter? This one or this one? Which one do you like best? I wish I had these as well. No, I don't. Okay, guys, I really would love to know what you think about all of this. And if you like the video, if you're still watching, thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And hit the notification bell. And whoa, I'm going to give my eyes some rest. Because it's so bright. And oh, this was fun. Okay, all that's left to say is... Groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye. It's insane.